reception of this broadcast, and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted